Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you the cleaning procedure for melted plastic. A lot of times if you have melted plastic in your home, it's usually around the stove area. Like maybe something was sitting on your stove and you accidentally turned a knob and turned it on. And, plastic got burnt onto your stove top. Or if you're like me, your husband thinks that the oven is an extra closet and stores things in there. So you go to preheat the oven and find, wow, my Tupperware is melted to the oven now. So, the best thing to do when you have melted plastic is go out and buy a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser with this blue scrubby side. You can get a generic Magic Eraser, which is what this one was. I think, they're much cheaper. They're like half the price. You can get a whole pack of them. They're awesome. And all you do with these is get them wet, wring the water out, and they really are like magic. I don't know what's in this thing, but you just use it to wipe away the plastic. Of course, you want to wait until it's not hot anymore. Wait until the plastic is dried. But this will really, really wipe away any melted plastic that may be in or on your oven. And really, that's it. These things are awesome. You should always keep them around the house. They're great for cleaning anything, any stubborn stains that are on your pots and pans, even your walls. They're gentle enough to use on your walls to get crayon or pencil marks off. They're awesome. I highly recommend them. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is the cleaning procedure for melted plastic.